ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Hagasin ka beningkong ki pajba nong song snong jong ka jilla Meghalaya kin sa sakhi ya ka kali auto rickshaw la shaka ya ka bala snan ka benta ban kit brew ban kit mar da ka pentrai kam da ka boarding electric Yakini ki kali auto rickshaw la pelai pajba do district transport officer uba di Lamin ubadairu secretary jongka RTA Shillong ubadalong kumukongsan hagani gasngi hagajingelang kabadalong ha showroom jongka sadap automobile kabadan ha maublay hagasngi balang jongka arpotrik ubanai risau arajar arpawai Hagani gasngi la sakhilang ru da original manager ka North East Mazumdar utrai jongka sadap automobile uba bhakupar sadap lembat kiwai
Nasosorong banong ne bangan yang ban pli ka electric vehicle pi haka perthai man ta bro ko hi pisem ba ka environment ka placer kheba khamta me haka bagi ong kadika women global pi kikali kini ki diesel vehicle ki petrol vehicle ki permi kini ki bagi ong ki smoke emission ki permi ki jat air ki basnio kamtam ladang ring mesin iki kumkar mano oxide bat kiwe tapi menta ka jing shit kadika ba sakhe ba ka mi isni ke temperature jom kecing apa mekhalia mensiwa apa kriat ba dari menta ke yerkat kendam bat ka asam bat kiwe ki jaga te dak jing don jom kini ki kali elektrik lese kadika jing kadika tedam ke penduna ye ke jing set lese bat kamtam le pilai ke environment jomi lane kadika ki ding ki set jomi menta akat bagi nang mi kisnem ke dang duna ngatarai lembag ini ki electric vehicle ngatarai kan nyerap yaki paiba bat yaki passenger lenegi nong song snong makin pun penduna kumalaong meneda itu manager jong iba ki bedok ki besok kan no kin la yaki ni daily wages bakin yasiu ta ka bai kali halor bla kio ku petrol pi na ko we kasi ka petrol ka kio matale kala tam spa si we ki stele kala palat jika tak jikio jom ke petrol, te nakaliang joma encourage yapi bapide ban consume ke ba kamtat dor ban yo ye kata kamai gaji kamtam mahidi ki por baduk kam du jam kene ke jimpli jom ni kene ka kali ke pamtar golong kumba ai employment yaki kena mde bikin sesinia tantang akam sarkar Rei dakini ru kila bantian ini kali kibang lene ki agencies ki jaj ki ya pikalun bang ngina kaliang ka transport department ru ngila pas ya kane electric vehicle policy bangin sya ban register yabi une husnem kala pas ka government bangisya ban register ye kali jom pi baro.
Now I am officially announcing that Shadap Automobile Shillong is authorized to sell electric vehicle from today, and our vehicle is available in this showroom in our workshop. So I will request all the guests to have a look to our vehicle, experience it, take the test drive, and the most thing, to spread the good about the product in the market, so that people can come, people can able to know about our product, and we will be able to sell the product. We will be able to help our end customers. As a token of love for Shadap Automobile, I am presenting a small gift of love to Shadap. It's from Diageo.
is kemana maya terus lagi. Lu berapa beri tu yang mata ni? Habis berapa? Apa yang dah habis? Tak nak.
This we are doing for the first time in the entire Northeast. So Sadap Automobile is our authorized dealer over here in Meghalaya, and we have a full range for last mile delivery transportation. Our vehicle is equipped to carry a load of 540 kg in load carrier segment, and in passenger carrier 3 passengers they can carry. The good thing about this vehicle is the maintenance cost is very low. It is negligible in fact, because there is no requirement of lubricants, petrol, diesel, nothing. The vehicle runs on electric operated battery, and the warranty of this battery is for 3 years or 1200 cycles. Company is giving free of cost for this battery for this period, and the maintenance cost is zero. Running cost will be around 49 paisa per kilometer. The cost of vehicle will range between 3 lakhs and 3.15 lakhs. The government of India is also giving and promoting electric vehicle, as you know. So government of India is also giving subsidy of around 80,000 rupees for the owner of this vehicle. And in fact, government of Meghalaya is also announcing a subsidy for electric vehicles. So I think this will be a good opportunity for the people of Meghalaya in terms of their earning, and it will also help to reduce the pollution in the state of Meghalaya. In a single charge, it will take 3 hours 45 minutes, and it will run around 100 kilometers. In passenger carrier, it will go up to 110, and in cargo segment it is 90 plus minus 5. In passenger vehicle it is 2,90,000 approx. Yes, including that government subsidy of 80,000 rupees FAME subsidy. And in cargo segment, cargo we have only one model. The deck size is 6 feet. The cost of the vehicle is 3,15,000, including that subsidy amount of 80,000. This is the very right time, because the petrol price has gone up to 100 rupees. It's almost 100 rupees. So the running cost of a three-wheeler, it's around 5 rupees to 6 rupees. Varies state to state. But in Meghalaya, of course, it is around 6 rupees because of the hills. The mileage of petrol run vehicle takes 6 rupees per kilometer. And if a customer runs this vehicle in electric, they have to bear a cost of 49%.